This is not TikTok. This is YouTube. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me again, Brand here too. So today today's vlog, my content is I will clean my messy room. So let's get started.
Gotta take the time to cut them off, I need her. I know how to make the girl go crazy when you treat her like your number one baby.
As you can see, my room is so very messy. Oh look. Yeah, here. This is my bed, and this is my mirror, and this is my drawing table or drawing area. This is my floor. Look. And then, yeah. So let's get started. I'm done cleaning my messy room, so I will montage my room in 3, 2, 1, go! So guys, I'm done cleaning and putting the bed. Arrange, and this one my drawing table or drawing area. Look. And mirror. Yeah. that's all for today, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye. God bless.
Gotta take the time to cut them off, I need help. I know how to make the girl go crazy when you treat her like your number one baby.